press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi students, paper 6 you are written. It is the code paper of last year, most simple paper appeared last year. Cannot think so, but you are in the COVID period still, maybe of same level, expecting, try best to get the best marks in entrance, competitive NEET. However, before starting this, in this paper of COVID-19, they reduced the number of questions from first year PUC. If you observed in first PUC, in model paper 6, mechanics part 1 up to the fluid mechanics, you will have 9 questions, and fluid mechanics, that mechanics part 2 has 1 question, heat and thermodynamics 5, sound and waves 2, total 17 questions from the first PUC portion, and second PUC electrostatic to capacitor 5, current electricity 5, and magnetism 2, electromagnetic induction and AC circuits 3, electromagnetic waves plus photoelectric effect real nature of matter 4, atom plus nucleus plus radioactivity together 3, semiconductors plus digital electronics 3, optics both geometrical and ray optics together for 28 questions. This is what we are seeing in this 10 plus 15, 19 plus 3, 22, 7. Sorry, here it may be, which one is extra made, the 3 to 4. E is 3. This is 3. (28) plus 1745 that we are seeing in this paper particularly appeared in the last year 2020. However, let us start the discussion of the questions of this paper. See, before just you are given the arrangement of a carbon register with 4 bands. For the bands yellow, violet, brown, and another is gold. Color code of resistance is given below. The values of the resistance and tolerance respectively are. So, however, for these 3, gold, you know the tolerance is 5%. If it is silver 10%, no band 20%. But in order to know the numbers for these, you know the word abbreviation BB Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. That 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yellow is the first one. Violet is the second one. And brown is the third one band. Now resistance is first band is 4, 7, 10 power 1 ohm plus or minus 5%. which is 470 ohm, comma 5%. Answer available in your options given in that paper. So I think you are followed here. 4 bands. BB Roy of Great Britain has very good wife, which gives you the 3 bands colors number. First one is yellow 4 and violet 7 and brown is 1, 470 ohm. As gold it is 5%. Hence the option number 470 ohm plus or minus 5%. Option number is 2. So this is the question from current electricity appeared of the second year portion. Now the next question is from first year portion. Find the torque, rotational motion. Find the torque. Find the torque about the origin when the force of 3 joules Newton acts on a particle whose position vector is 2k. The second from rotational motion, first year PUC. Suppose you have a particle P at some point. Imagine the force equal to applied is 3J Newton and position vector R is given 2k meter. The torque is questioned. Torque is equal to R cross F. R cross F. And you know, directionally we take I, J and K. When I write R, 2K cross 3J, K cross J is clockwise. Therefore, the results with the minus I. This is minus 6I Newton meter is the torque value. Vectors ಅಲ್ಲಿ mathematics ಅಲ್ಲಿ study ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. R cross F is the torque. K cross J ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ. K cross J is I, but clockwise it is negative. Hence the option is minus 6J Newton meter. Option number 1. Go to the next question. Number 3. A cylinder contains hydrogen gas at a pressure of 249 kilopascal. It is from heat and thermodynamics. 249 kilopascal and a temperature 27 degrees Celsius plus 273 implies 300 Kelvin. Its density is R value given 8.3 and density questioned. PTR given and asking about density, immediately think about the ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. Volume may be written as mass by density, mass by molecular weight into RT. As M cancels, density is equal to PM by RT. What is P given? 249 kilopascal. 249 into 10 power 3. And as it is hydrogen, you know the molecular weight as 2 gram under 2 into 10 power minus 3 kg. It is the mass, it is the pressure given 8.3 into 300. If you made 83 is T times, therefore it becomes 30. When cancels it is 10. When cancels to 1 remains, that means density is 0.2 kg per meter cube. So I think you are understood this equation. We are taken to assess the density of the gas. Data given, direct substitution, and available answer is 0.2 kg per meter cube. Fourth option, right one. Come to the next question number 4. Two cylinders A and B of equal capacity are connected to each other via a stop clock. ಎರಡು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕಾಕ್ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A contains an ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure. B is completely evacuated. ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇದೆ. Entire system is thermally insulated. This is again, the question is from heat and thermodynamics. Thermally insulated. One point you read in that question, you can understand. And the stop cock is suddenly opened. Fast process. Suddenly opened. These two are the characteristic property of a adiabatic process. So directly you can come to the conclusion in this. As one side is completely evacuation, other side is the gas. When suddenly cock is opened, there is a blast like thing take place. And further, thermally insulated. There is no exchange of heat between the system and surrounding. Hence, it must be an adiabatic process. Option number 1. Let us see the question number 5. A particle of mass 5 kg and 10 kg respectively are attached to the two ends of a rigid rod of length 1 meter of negligible mass. You are given a rod of negligible mass. Here two masses, M1 is 5 kg and M2 is 10 kg. 1 meter, this distance are separation between them. The center of mass of the system from the 5 kg particle is nearly at a distance of. The question is from center of mass system, first year portion, the question number 5. Center of mass may be at some position, if you imagine. It may be R1 and other is R2. For R1 to calculate, you are given one equation. If you are finding R1 center of mass distance from M1, you have to take the other mass into separation between them divided by the total mass gives you the answer. Direct substitution it is. M2 is a 10 kg into 1 by 10 plus 5 is a 10 by 15 equal to 2 by 3 meter. But answer is not available in meter, in centimeter. This become 66.66 or 67 centimeter. 67 centimeter ಅಂತ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಗೆ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ you can write M1 R1 plus M2 R2 is 0 because R value is 0. Position vector of center of mass is at the origin. R value is 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This implies magnitude M1 R1 equal to M2 R2. And also from the figure clear that R1 plus R2 is equal to R. R2 can be written as M2 into R2 can be written as R minus R1. Expand this, you will get M2R. Here M1 plus M2 into R1. R1 is equal to M2R by M1 plus M2. If equation is not recalled, you can use this because for the center of mass, R value is 0. And you know these two equations for that condition, and you can arrive at the relation. Marth hodre, within no time you can get, and substitution gives you the answer. ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನೆನಪಿರೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೇಳ್ತದ್ರೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಸ್. ನೀವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ I1 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ R2, ಹಾಗೇನೆ I2 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ R1 ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 67 centimeter. Next question number 6. A ray is incident at an angle of incidence I on one surface of a small angle prism. See, it is from optics prism part, small angled prism. That angle is less than 10 degree and emerges normally from the opposite surface. If the refractive index of material of the prism is mu, then the angle of incidence is nearly equal to. So given a small angled prism, this is A, and ray of light traveling in some direction, bent and incident normal here. So therefore R2 is 0 for normal incidence and if observed this R1 itself become A because condition R1 plus R2 is A as R2 is 0. Question is on I, mu A is 1, mu of prism is mu given. Apply general Snell's law for small angled prism. General Snell's law when we apply here, equation we write mu A sin I is equal to mu P sin R1 according to general Snell's law applying at this point. But mu A is one small angled prism, 1 into I equal to mu P is mu into A sin R1. R1 is A. Sin negligible because I and R also very small for small angled prism. Therefore, I is equal to mu A is the answer. So you can see the answer to this question directly as option number 1. Coming to the next question number 7. A body weighs 72 Newton on the surface of the earth. What is the gravitational force on it at a height equal to half the radius of the earth? Question is from first year portion. Question number 7. Imagine the earth from the center at the surface F1 which is equal to mg is 32 Newton. But now they are asking from the surface at a distance of r by 2. From the surface, this distance is r. If I take here, it is 3 by 2 r distance. What is the force at this point F2? ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜಿ ಎಂ ಬೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಟೂಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಇರೋ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಟ್ ಎ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಟು ಜಿ 0 ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇದು ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ F2 ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂತಾದ್ರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಜಿ ಎಂ into small m by r square is nothing but r by 3 by 2 r total 3 by 2 r whole square for this ಇದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೆ g m by r square g m by r square is 32 Newton. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು g m by r square ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಂ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ನಾ ಜಿ ಎಲ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಜಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ 3 by 2 r whole square 3 by 2 r whole square is 4 by 9 but g by r square at the surface is 32 into 4 by 9 is equal to 3 by 2, 72, sorry, 32 or 72 Newton. You are saying 72 Newton here and substituting 72, 32 Newton is the answer. Bardadi ulta agide. Okay, I hope you are understood. G value is general. Here R is equal to capital R at the surface. R is equal to 3 by 2R at this height. Substituting, and GMM by R square is 72 Newton given. Final answer is 32 Newton. Question number 8. An iron rod of susceptibility 599 is subjected to a magnetizing field of 1200 ampere per meter. Magnetism, question is from magnetism. They given susceptibility as 599 and magnetizing field is 1200 ampere per meter. The permeability of the material of the rod is permeability ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Permeability of a material is absolute permeability to relative permeability. One equation. Again, I can write mu naught, mu r is 1 plus susceptibility, another equation. This I written like. Now you know the values 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into 599 plus 1, 600, 24 pi into 10 power minus 5 or 2.4 pi into 10 power minus 4 mu, units given Tesla meter per ampere. So answer available. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಪರ್ಮಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರಾಡ್ ಇದ್ದು. ಮ್ಯೂ ನಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂ ಆರ್, ಮ್ಯೂ ನಾಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 pi 10 power minus 1. ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, 1 plus susceptibility. Using that we got the answer. So the option number 2.4 pi into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. Let us come to the question number 9. Question number 9. For transistor action, which of the following statements is correct? It is a conceptual question, direct question. You know, both emitter junction as well as the collector junction are forward biased. For transistor action, that is in transistor action, emitter junction as well as collector junction, ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ emitter junction is forward bias, collector junction must be reverse bias, and this voltage must be higher than compared to this. Adrinda first one is wrong. Both cannot be forward biased for action of a transistor. Base emitter and collector region should have the same size. If you see the size of the region, collector is of maximum thickness, then come to the emitter, then come to the base. Base is least thickness. No region is of same size. Second one is wrong. Third one, base region must be very thin and lightly doped. Doping you see again, as we see the doping percentage, doping in case of emitter is highest, then come to the collector, then come to the base. So it is least in thickness and least in doping. The base region must be very thin and lightly doped, may be the answer. See the fourth one, base emitter and collector region should have the same doping concentration. Again it is wrong. So the doping concentration must be different. Therefore, size and doping concern, option number 3 is the best answer available out of the given for the transistor action concern. It is the semiconductor material ನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ light with an average flux of 20 watt per centimeter square. 10th one, intensity is 10 watt per centimeter square. 20 into 10 power 4 watts per meter square. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಪವರ್ -4 ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ +4 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್, ದಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ದಿ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ is striking is a non-reflecting one, gets absorbing directly with the medium. The area of this surface given equal to 20 into 10 power -4 meter square. Centimeter square ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೀಟರ್ ಬರ್ದೇನೆ. Energy received by the surface during the time span of 1 minute. Time is 60 seconds. How much energy received ಅಂತ question. So again, from electromagnetic waves, intensity of any radiation is energy per second per area. Energy per second crossing per unit area of the surface is a intensity. Question is on energy is ITA. 20 into 10 power 4, 20 into 10 power -4 into 60. 24 followed by 3 zeros, or 24 into 10 power 3 joules. Answer given to you. Is a direct question. Intensity is energy per second per area ಮೇಲಿದೆ. I ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, TA ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ is the correct one. Coming to the next question, number 11. A short electric dipole has a dipole moment of, it is from electrostatic. Question number 11. You are given a short dipole of dipole moment P equal to 16 into 10 power -9 coulometer. The electric potential due to the dipole at a point at a distance of 0.6 meter from the center of the dipole is, center of the dipole making an angle of 60 degree with the dipole axis. It is 60 degree. It is a 0.6 meter is R. At this point, what is the potential due to electric dipole? Potential ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. You know the potential due to a dipole is Kp cos theta by R square. Relation. What is K? K is the 9 into 10 power 9 value. This given 16 into 10 power -9 into cos 60 divided by 0.6, that I can write 0.6 whole square. Cos 60 is half, this become 8. 9 into 8 divided by 36 into 10 power -2. 36 is a 2 into 10 power 2 or 200 volts. Kp cos theta by R square is the formula for this electric dipole at an angle of 60 degree the axis at some 0.6 meter. 0.6 meter. What is the potential asked? K value, P value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, theta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, R ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Substitution given you the option 1 in this. First one is the answer. Coming to the question number 12. A ball is thrown vertically downward with a velocity of 20 meter per second from the top of a tower. Just imagine it is the ground. There is a tower. From the top of the tower, a ball is thrown with a velocity of 20 meter per second. It falls under gravity. There is an acceleration. And while it reaches the ground, it got velocity 80 meter per second. The height of the tower, how much? You are given initial velocity, final velocity, you know acceleration due to gravity. H means height equal to v square minus u square upon 2g. 80 square minus 20 square upon 2 into 10. A plus b into a minus b. 80 plus 20 is 100. 80 minus 20 is 60. Divided by 20 become 300 meter is the height. Answer is 300 meter. Simple equation, vertical motion, straight line motion, first year portion question is initial velocity, final velocity, g acceleration due to gravity known to you. H is asking using equation v square equal to u square, v square minus u square upon 2g. Simplification given to the answer 300 meter. Let us come to next question number 13. A resistance wire connected in the left gap of a meter bridge balance a 10 ohm resistance in the right gap. Just imagine a meter bridge. In the left gap, they connected some resistance unknown R. In the right gap, they are saying S is equal to 10 ohm. And this may be connected to a cell. And with a galvanometer, the balancing length L1 and L2. They given L1 is to L2 is a 3 by 2. And length of the resistance wire, its length of the wire is 1.5 meter. Resistance is not known. You have to find out. Then the length of 1 ohm resistance wire is, question is different. L dash is how much if R dash is 1 ohm? ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you know resistance is proportional to the length. R dash by R is equal to L dash by L. R dash is equal to R into L dash by L. Sorry, you want question is resistance of the wire length L dash. L dash is equal to L into R dash by R. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? L ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 1.5, R dash ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 1. Unless you know the value of R, you cannot find the answer. R ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. R ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. R ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. R is equal to S into L1 by L2. This is 10 into 3 by 2 is 15 ohm. You got that? Now substitute here. L dash is equal to L is 1.5 meter. R is 15 ohm divided by 1 ohm. So R reverse. R is 1 ohm. This is 15 ohm. 0.1 meter or 1 into 10 power minus 1 meter. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್. R is equal to S L1 by L2. Another R is proportional to length, and with the help of that we can arrive at the equation answer 1 into 10 power minus 1, option number 2. It is from Kirchhoff's law, current electricity chapter, question appeared. When an uranium isotope from nuclear science, the chapter nucleus. Question number 14. Uranium 235-92 bombarded with a neutron. It generates krypton 8956 plus something there we have to see. So it is 36 plus 3 neutrons released. That only can substitute here 144 by 56. This is the answer for this question. Barium 144 is the standard equation for fission process of uranium 235 we considered. When uranium 235 bombarded with a slow neutron convert into unstable uranium 235-92, break down into two fission fragments of krypton and barium with that answer. Therefore, option number 3, barium is the solution. Question number 15. A long solenoid 50 centimeter length, magnetism chapter. You have a long solenoid, length is 50 centimeter, 100 turns, carries current of 2.5 ampere. The magnetic field at the center of the solenoid along the axis at this central portion, what may be the magnitude means mu naught Ni is the magnetic field. But N is the number of turns per unit length. Therefore, I can write mu naught Ni by L. Let us substitute the values. 4 pi 10 power minus 7 100 2.5 divided by 50 into 10 power minus 2. 50 cancelling this 2 times 100 and 2.5 into 4 is 10. This 10 power minus 2 adds 10 power 3. 10 power 3 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 power minus 4 ಉಳಿತದೆ. 5 into 10 power, so 2.5, 2 pi. 2 pi into 10 power minus 4. That means answer is 6.28 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್ mu naught ಗೊತ್ತು NIL ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ 6.28 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. It's a magnetism question from second PUC portion. So it is a question on first PUC, again from kinetic theory of gases. Average thermal energy of a gas, monoatomic gas molecule is. For a molecule concerned, average kinetic energy associated with a molecule, we write equal to F by 2 Boltzmann constant into absolute temperature. As it is monoatomic, degrees of freedom is 3, hence answer must be 3 by 2 kBT. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೊಲಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಮೊನೋಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮೊಲಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಗೆ F/2 kT. ಅದೇ 1 ಮೋಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ NK ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಆಗ RT ಆಗೋದು. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ NRT ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇವೆ. 1 ಮೋಲಿಗಾದ್ರೆ RT, N moles ಇದ್ರೆ F/2 NRT is the energy associated with it. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 molecule ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು 3/2 kT, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. Coming to question number 17. A capillary tube of radius R is immersed in water and water rises into it a height h. A capillary tube is immersed in water. The capillary rise observed to a height h. The mass of water in the capillary is this mass. This mass in the capillary tube above the water level, this mass M1 is 5 kg, 5 gram, sorry, 5 kg, 5 gram. Another capillary tube of radius 2r, its radius R1 is R. Now they used a capillary tube of wider radius whose radius is 2r. Question is, mass of water that will rise in this tube is, because of wider tube we are seeing the rise in the water level may be less. It is M2. Question is on M2. We think in this problem is who is responsible for rising is the surface tension along the length of the tube. Surface tension is the responsible agent. Total surface tension is 2 pi r. Force is 2 pi r. It is surface tension is always the force per unit length which pulled the water up in the capillary. How long it rises? 2 pi r into t. This rises. There is a gravitational force mg which balance it. The two forces are acting. Why not it continuously rises? As it rises, the mass of water in the capillary tube above the water level opposes the rise because of gravitational force. They are in equilibrium when mg equal to 2 pi r into t. This equation directly says m proportional to r. If m is proportional to r, m2 by m1 is r2 by r1. m2 is equal to 5 into 2r by r equal to 10 gram. Therefore, answer must be 10 gram. Karana helide. Upward force equal to downward force. Upward force is surface tensional force. Surface tension is force per unit length into length, circumference of the capillary. Mass of water which is raised is gravitational force. Thus, answer is a 10 gram. Coming to the next question, number 18. The ratio of contribution made by the electric field and magnetic field components to the intensity of an electromagnetic wave is. So it is again property. Energy or energy density or intensity in the electromagnetic wave at all time during propagation equally shared between electric and magnetic field. Intensity, 18th question, intensity is equally shared. This energy, intensity of the electric field tagondre, this is energy density into C, that half into epsilon naught into E naught square into C is the intensity of the electric field. Similarly, intensity of the magnetic field is B naught square by into C divided by 2 mu naught. These two are equal in magnitude. Magnitude of electric intensity is equal to magnitude of intensity always in an electromagnetic wave. You can verify if I substitute for B naught, you know the equation C is equal to E naught by B naught. C equal to E naught by B naught. In place of B naught, E naught by C, and again C is equal to 1 by root mu naught epsilon naught. You substitute this value and you will see that you will get back. Answer is they are equally shared. Therefore, answer must be 1:1. Is it a conceptual question? Explain ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ frequency of electric and magnetic field same ಇರುತ್ತೆ variation. Energy density same ಇರುತ್ತೆ, energy same ಇರುತ್ತೆ, intensity ಕೂಡ same ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ option number 1 is the right one. Option number 4. Come to the next question, number 19. Assume that light of wavelength 600 nanometer is coming from a star. Lambda is 600 nanometer is coming from a star. The limit of resolution of telescope whose objective is 2 millimeter. 2 meter in dimension. It is from diffraction, wave optics, second year portion. Question is the limit of resolution. Limit of resolution equal to 1.22 lambda by d in case of a telescope. 1.22 600 nanometer minus 9 divided by 2. It become 3.66 into 10 power minus 7 radian. Direct question, direct substitution for limit of resolution from a diffraction concept, 6 into 10 power minus 7 radian. Question number 20. Wire of length L, area of cross section A is hanging from a fixed support. From a fixed support, a wire of certain length L is hanging and it is extended. The length of the wire changes to means the total length becoming L1. So that increase in length delta L is L1 minus L. And it is loaded with a mass M, which is a force. Question is on Young's modulus of this, what it is. Young's modulus stress by strain into delta L by L. What is the force here? It is mg by A as it is. Change in length is L1 minus L. Original length is L. This must be the answer. Idu answer agirbeku. See the solution. Mg L upon A into L1 minus L. Option number 4. From elasticity or properties of solid chapter in the first year portion in the appear agiruva question. The energy required to break one bond in a DNA is energy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. One DNA is 10 power minus 20 joule. We have to express in EV how much? This energy is anything expressed in joule. To convert in EV, you have to divide by 10 power minus 19. ಇದನ್ನ 16 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Because 16 10 power minus 20. I can write 100 by 16 into 10 power minus 2. 100 ಪಡ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ minus 2 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಈಗ 6.25 into 10 power minus 2 or 0.0625, but answer available up to 0.6 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Best possible answer you can search. Again simple question, joule ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಎನರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು EV ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. So 0.06 is the answer. Coming to the question number 22. In a certain region of space with volume, it is electrostatic capacitor portion. Question number 22. Certain space they given of volume 0.2 meter cube. In this space region, the volume given, electric potential is found to be inside this electric potential is found to be 5 volt, which is constant and throughout at every point. Inside this space, anywhere you measure between any point or any point in this region, potential is constant. The magnitude of electric field in this region is, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯಾದರೂ ನೀವು electric field ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ relation is minus dV by dx. You know V is a constant. You know differentiation of a constant is 0. Answer is 0. No change of potential. Potential difference is 0 because at any 2 points potential is same. Potential difference becomes 0 as you move the charge. Electric field becomes 0. When the potential is constant, field is 0. Therefore, we say the answer 0. Come to question number 23. Again, it is from the kinetic theory of gases. Mean free path of a gas molecule, diameter d and number density n can be expressed as. So this is standard equation 23. Imagine a column of gas of length L. Now we are considering the molecules are in motion, a linear path only for the considered molecules. Separation is nothing but diameter becomes this column double that. It has to be a radius having certain volume, that is pi d square into L. If n is the number of molecules available per volume, then total number of molecules available in this length which can collide with any of them is pi d square L into n. L into lambda, where lambda is the mean path, and multiplying by n. It is the volume. Pi d square into L is the volume, and lambda is the mean free path, that is collision from one to next ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಲೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ L by T. ಈ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ L by T. This total length that it covers here is pi d square lambda n into L upon T. One and the same. So L cancels, either side T cancels. Then only you want lambda is equal to 1 upon pi d square n. But this is just a mean path, mean free path, because we considered other gas molecules are at rest. Here they are in motion, and it is comes to be the average mean value beku antidre. So we use multiply with root 2 as we do for the peak value to RMS value in AC circuits. We divide by root 2. Similarly here we divide by root 2 for that, and hence we take answer standard equation ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ root 2 pi n d square. Option number root 2 pi n d square. Third one. Come to the question number 24. An electron is accelerated from rest through a potential difference of V volt. The de Broglie wavelength of the electron is, the potential difference how much is? So it is from dual nature of matter and radiation, de Broglie concept, question number 24. Potential how much ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, de Broglie wavelength ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1.227 into 10 power minus 2 nanometer. What is the potential difference required for it? Usually it is for the electron. Potential difference ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ electron is accelerated. I can write here lambda is equal to 12.27 divided by root v in terms of angstrom. ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎಂ ಮಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಚ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವುದು. ರೂಟ್ ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 12.27 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 12.27 ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಗ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10⁻⁻10. ಇದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನ್ಯಾನೋ ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ 0.1227 ಇಂಟು 10⁻⁻10 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ -2 ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಿಂದ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 0.1 ಆಗತ್ತೆ, -1 ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ 10⁻⁻10. So I can write this as 1.127 into 10⁻⁻10 as a lambda value. This become 100 because 0.12 is 100 times. Root V is 100, V is equal to 10⁻⁴ volt. Using this equation for electron de Broglie wavelength when it is accelerated through a potential difference V. Hence the option 10⁻⁴ volt. We can go to the question number 25. In a guitar, two strings A and B made of same material are slightly out of tune and produce beats of frequency 6 Hz. Stationary waves from sound chapter last year, first year portion. You are having the two strings slightly difference in frequency. Beat frequency is 6 Hz. A and B when excited together to give the sound. When the tension in B is slightly decreased, here T decreased, beat frequency nu becomes 7 Hz. If frequency of A is 530 Hz, what is the frequency of B is a question. We have to find out. It's a beat phenomenon. 6 Hz is coming means there are two options for FB now. One 530 minus 6 is 524 Hz. Second 530 plus 6 is 536 Hz. When T is reduced, F dash is also reduced. FB is reduced. How much reduced? If you see that 1 Hz. Change of FB nodidre 7 minus 6 is 1 Hz decrease agave. Because you know F is proportional to root T. When the tension in the wire B is decreasing, frequency also decreases. How much decreases? It clearly indicated. Earlier was 6, now it becomes 7 means the decrease in FB is 1. This makes now FB dash ಏನು ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ 530 ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ 530 ಈಗ 524 ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? 524 1 ಲೆಸ್, 530 minus 523 because 24 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಳಿರಿ, 1 Hz ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 523 which becomes 7 Hz. 536 1 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 530 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 535, that may be 5 Hz difference adi baramadi. Once you are seeing 7 Hz in the other it is 5 Hz. Answer they given 7 Hz means this assumption is right, this leads to this assumption, where FB can become to be equal to 524 hertz. ಇಬ್ಬರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ 6 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 524 ಅಥವಾ 536 ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. When tension decrease, frequency decreases by 1. That means if you assume 524, it must be 523. If you assume 536, it must be 535. When re-excited with 530, one gives 7, other gives 5, but they given data 7 means that should be 524. Hence the option is 524 hertz. Come to next question number 26. It is from second year portion. A 40 microfarad capacitor connected to a 200 volt 50 hertz AC supply. A capacitor C connected to an AC source. VRMS given is 200 volt. Frequency is 50 hertz. The RMS value of the current in the circuit is IRMS ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. It is a pure capacitor. You know XC is nothing but 1 by omega C. So directly if you want the current, it is from AC circuits. Current IRMS is equal to VRMS by XC, which is VRMS 2 pi F into C. XC is 1 by omega C, omega is 2 pi F. Substituting 200, 2 pi, 50, 40 into 10 power minus 6. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ಹೋದ್ರೆ -1. -1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 0.8 into 3.14. Or it is 2.5 amps approximately. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ? Reactance of the capacitor is 1 by omega C. Calculate. V by reactance gives you the RMS current. So substitution given you the answer 2.5 ampere. Increase in the width of the depletion region of a PN junction diode is due to, again it is from the second year portion, semiconductor devices, conceptual question. Increase in the forward current, increase in width of the depletion region. Depletion region width ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮೈನಾರಿಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Majority carriers of both P and N regions move away from the junction towards the terminals where they widen the depletion region. Only possible in reverse bias. If you know correctly the idea of PN junction, forward bias alli charges majority carrier move towards the junction. Diffusion of the charge carriers take place across the junction to constitute a large current above the knee voltage. But in reverse bias is not so. Majority carriers move away from the junction. They widen the junction. Width of the depletion region increases in case of reverse bias only. Coming to the next question number 28. The Brewster's angle for an interference should be interface. So you studied this. Whenever unpolarized light strikes at an angle of polarization, refracted light partially polarized, reflected light polarized with its vector perpendicular to the plane of incidence, and this angle is 90, and refractive index of this is equal to tan IB. ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ. ಬ್ರೂಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? mu, this medium must always have greater than 1. Tan IB greater than 1 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ IB chances ಏನು greater than 45 degree ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. In this case, this to happen, angle must be greater than 45 degree for mu greater than 1. And maximum angle of incidence ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 90 degree. It is greater than how much it can go, it must be less than 90 degree. Therefore, because mu is greater than 1, IB must be greater than 45 and reaches to 90. Option number cleared. Conceptual question 45 to 90. Let us go to the next question number 29. The phase difference between the displacement acceleration of a particle in simple harmonic motion is displacement equation. Observe. Y is equal to A sin omega t is 1. Acceleration ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ acceleration is minus A omega square into sin omega t ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This I can write as omega A omega square into sin omega t plus pi, because you know sin A cos B, cos pi is minus. Now when you observe this phase factor, change in phase is omega t plus pi minus omega t equal to pi radian. Pi radian is the difference in phase between the displacement and acceleration. Pi radian, option number 1. Come to the next question number 30. A spherical conductor of radius 10 centimeter has a charge of 30. Electrostatics. Given a spherical conductor having charge of 3.2 into 10 power minus 7 coulomb. What is the magnitude of electric field at a point 15 centimeter from the center of the sphere? At a distance of r equal to 15 centimeter, what is the electric field? Already it is a radius of this is 10 centimeter. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ electric field is kq by r square, 9 into 10 power 9. Inside idre 0 ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ, outside ಇದೆ 10 centimeter radius but asking at 15 centimeter. 3.2 10 power minus 7 divided by 15 into 15 into 10 power minus 4. So this minus 4, 9 3 times, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 3.2 by 25 into minus 4 minus 7 hodre minus 3, minus 3 hodre 6. I can write it is 10 power 6 or 32 by 25 into 10 power 5, 1.28 into 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ 1.28 ಇದೆ. ಇಂಥ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 9 ಇದೆ, ಇದು 3.2 ಪಕ್ಕ ಇದೆ, minus 7, 15 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ minus 4. ಇದು minus 4 ರಲ್ಲಿ minus 7 ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus 3 ಉಳಿತದೆ. minus 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು 10 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 6 ಉಳಿತದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ 32 ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಗ 5 ಉಳಿತದೆ. 32 by 25 is 1.28. Hence the answer is 1.28 into 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. Come to the question number 32. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with air as a medium is 6 microfarad. ಇದು ಕೂಡ electrostatically air capacitor ಗೆ 6 microfarad ಇದೆ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And the medium, dielectric medium, the capacitance becomes 30 microfarad. The permittivity of the medium is epsilon. Epsilon is epsilon naught into epsilon r. Permittivity of medium ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು permittivity of medium. Epsilon naught 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. This I can write as CD by CA. This is 30 by 6, 5 times. 5 5s are 25, 40, 42, 44 into 10 power minus 12, or 0.44 into 10 power minus 10. Coulomb square, Newton power minus 1, meter power minus 2. 0.44 into 10 power minus 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಹಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ, 10 ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. 30 ಇದೆ, 30 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 times. This is 6, it is 5 edge around this. Therefore the answer is 0.44 value. Go to the question number 32. Taking into account of the significant figures, what is the value of 9.99 meter minus 0.0099 meter? 32, first year, basic chapter, starting chapter about the significant figures. Addition and subtraction, when we do, first see these. Minimum number of digits ಇರುವಂತದ್ದನ್ನ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದು 9.98, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ. 2 ಉಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 9.98 ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂಡ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿನ ನಂತರ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ 9.98. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 33. In a series LCR circuit is connected to an AC voltage source. When L is removed from the circuit, the phase difference between the current and voltage is pi by 3. If instead C is removed from the circuit, the phase difference is again pi by 3 between them. The power factor of this circuit is given L, C and R circuit connected in series. ಫೇಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ XL minus XC by R. This gives you a clue. Tan pi by 3, they say when L is removed, only C is present. L remove ಆದರೆ XL ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, XC by R. And when C is removed also, C remove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ XL by R. Then what is the power factor? This clearly indicates pi by 3 is common whether you remove L or C, which implies XC is equal to XL. Circuit is in resonance When it is in resonance, power factor cos phi, which is R by Z, equal to 1. Because at resonance R equal to Z, since XL equal to XC, Z is equal to root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. It is 0. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ Z is equal to R ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Maximum power factor value ಇರುತ್ತೆ, that is cos phi makes become 1. Hence the answer is 1. Because of this condition clears. So therefore option is fourth one for this. Coming to the question number 34. So 34, dimension of stress are stress force by area m L T power minus 2 by L square minus 2 m L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Most simple question ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇದು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ. m L power minus 1 T power minus 2, option number 2. Come to next question 35. Light of frequency 1.5 times the threshold frequency is incident on a photosensitive material. This is the photosensitive material. So they given a frequency which is nu1 is 1.5 of nu naught, where nu naught is threshold frequency. What will be the photoelectric current if the frequency is hard? Now they have some current. Nu2 is made 1.5 nu naught by 2 is 0.75 nu naught. And frequency is hard, intensity is doubled. I2 is made 2 I1. What is intensity? Not current, it is intensity. Therefore, photocurrent there how much? In the second case, I can say from this IP is 0. Reason is, when the frequency nu2 is less than nu naught, 0.75 nu naught is less than nu naught. 0.75 less than nu naught, no photoelectric emission. No photoelectric emission possible. When there is no photoelectric emission, current becomes 0. Because no electron emission, no photoelectric current. Hence the answer is 0. Option number 4. 36. The solids which have the negative temperature coefficient of resistance are. Temperature coefficient of resistance negative means with the rise of temperature, resistance should decrease. This happens in case of two, one in insulators and other in semiconductors. Direct, without any thought, by conceptual thinking, you can give the answer insulators and semiconductors. Come to the question number 38. A charged particle having drift velocity 7.5 into 10 power minus 4 meter per second and electric field 3 into 10 power minus 10 volt per meter. Mobility ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Electron mobility is drift velocity per applied field. ಇದು ಕೂಡ direct formula. Given 7.5 into 10 power minus 4 by 3 into 10 power minus 10 2.5 into 10 power 4 6. 2.5 into 10 power 6 is the answer. Unit madle kottbittidane. Direct substitution ಇದೆ current electricity chapter. 2.5 into 10 power 6. Again the question from current electricity, the nature of resistance with temperature. Which of the following graph represents the variation of resistivity with the temperature T for a copper? Resistivity versus temperature absolute. The curve is almost like this. Linearity is observed at higher temperature. When it comes to low temperature, there is some deviation from the linear paths possible. Hagagi, best curve is the of you observed all the four, not the fourth one. It is absolute temperature, not the degree Celsius. Remember, fourth one agalla. Small t bardre 0 degree Celsius minus 273 ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಲೋ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. But as temperature goes on decreases to 0 degree absolute, so there is a deviation. Hence the best curve is the first one. 39. This question again from mechanics. Two bodies of masses 4 and 6 kg are tied to the two ends of a massless string. The string passes over a pulley which is a frictionless. The acceleration of the system in terms of acceleration due to gravity is. Question number 39. There is a mass and another mass. M1 6 kg, M2 4 kg ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಜಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೀ ಬಾಡಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ M1 plus M2 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಸ್, ನೆಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ A. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇದು ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. M1 minus M2 into G ಅಂತ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. M1 G is plus but M2 G is minus because against gravity it moving. Therefore acceleration equal to 6 minus 4 into G divided by 6 plus 4, which gives you value of G by 5. 2 by 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. G by 5 ಬರೀಬಹುದು. G by 5 ಈ equation ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ G positive, for this G is negative for this upward motion. G is positive, downward motion ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ M1G plus M2G minus ಇದು M1 plus M2 ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ದಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is net system acceleration. So therefore the answer is G by 5. 40th. A screw gauge has a least count of 0.01 millimeter. Least count is 0.01 millimeter. And there are 50 divisions on its circular scale. So the divisions on circular scale is 50. What is the pitch question? What is the pitch of the screw gauge? You know, in case of screw gauge, least count is equal to pitch divided by, pitch means distance moved for one complete circular rotation of the drum. Divisions on circular scale. Therefore, pitch is equal to 50 into 0.01, which equal to 0.5 millimeter. Idu answer. Idu formula. Pitch by total divisions on the circular drum is equal to least count. So thus answer to that is 0.5 millimeter. 41 question number. In Young's double slit experiment, if the separation between the current sources is halved and distance between the screen from the current sources is doubled, then the fringe width becomes. In case of interference, beta is written as lambda d by d. Beta dash they given lambda into 2d. They doubled the distance between the screen and the slits, and the separation between the slits is halved. This again become lambda d by d into 4 or beta into 4 beta dash, which implies it is 4 times increases 4 times. Width become 4 times that of the initial value using the relation 4 times answer. Come to question number 42. So we are having this figure. It is an NOR gate given Y, A and B. Options are there. To find the answer, let us take A, B, Y 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 mentioned. ಇದರಲ್ಲೀಗ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್? ಎರಡು 0 ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ. If I give both 0, here they become 1 because of inversion. It is an OR gate, 1, 1 is 1, but because of this it becomes 0. Hence the option is 0. If you given 0, 1, it is 0, it is 1. This become 1 and this becomes 0. Even OR gate is 1, but NOR gate is 0. This also becomes 0 because if you made it is 1, 0, same thing. 1 is becoming 0, 0 is becoming 1. 0, 1 is 1, but this again reverse and make it to be 0. Suppose both are given 1, both become 0. Here inside 0, outside is becoming 1. Now you have to see which one is right. E column ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ 1, 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 1 ಇದೆ. 0, 0 ಇದ್ರು 0, 0, 1 ಇದ್ರು 0, 1, 0 ಇದ್ರು 0 ಇದೆ. Option, search which one may be the right. So the third one is the correct one, 0, 0, 0, 1. So coming to 43. The energy equivalent of 0.5 gram of a substance is, again general question, 43. Energy equivalent is mc square, Einstein's mass energy relation from nuclear physics. 0.5 gram convert into kg into 3 into 10 power 8 whole square. 0.5 into 9 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power 16. 4.5 into 10 power 13 joules. 4.5 into 10 power 13 joules. So I think followed, it is equal to mc square. Einstein's relation use ಮಾಡಿ direct ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. Go to the next question, 44. For which of the following Bohr model is not valid? Bohr model is only applicable to one electron system. ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ಸಿನ ಸುತ್ತ 1 electronಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ 1 electron ಇದೆ. ಸಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ಅಯನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಹೀಲಿಯಂ ಆಟಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 electron ಇದೆ. ಡ್ಯೂಟೆರಾನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 electron ಇದೆ. ಸಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ಅಯನೈಸ್ಡ್ ನಿಯಾನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ಅಯನೈಸ್ಡ್ ನಿಯಾನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 9 electron ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತವೆ, which cannot be the answer. Therefore, the wrong which cannot be applied is we cannot apply singly ionized ನೀಲಿಯಂ ಆಟಮಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಟಮಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್. The quantities of heat required to rise the temperature of two solid copper spheres of radii R1 and R2, where R1 is 1.5 RT through 1 Kelvin are in the ratio. It is from specific heat chapter, the question number 45. Quantity of heat is mass into specific heat into change in temperature. Mass can be written as it is a sphere 4 by 3 R cube, rho into S into delta T, which directly says Q is proportional to R cube. Here spheres are made of same material, their densities may be same, specific heat is same, change in temperature is same, Q proportional to R cube. Q1 by Q2 is R1 by R2 whole cube, which is 1.5 R by R whole cube, which is 3 by 2 whole cube, and that equal to 27 by 8. ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ದಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್, ಇದು 1 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಅದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಪರ್. Density same, only R is variable with Q. Taking the ratio, we got the answer, that is 27 by 8. So these are the questions today we discussed and you faced this last year paper. You come to know compared to the other papers how simple it is. Let us hope, we wish also, because of in COVID-19 you are all, they may give the similar type of paper, but don't neglect. ಹೀಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಎಣಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ, ನಾವು ಆಶಿಸೋಣ ಇಂಥದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರಲಿ, ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.